Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today's video is part 2, a follow-up video to this popular video I made a couple days ago, why Bitcoin price will crash by September 6th. Since I made that video, I've had a couple days to think about it, and I want to share with you my thoughts, also something Craig Simpson said that kind of resonated somewhat true. So I want to share all these things with you because this is what I'm thinking. This could potentially be what happens with Bitcoin. We'll kind of have to see. Now I realize the video quality is not great today. And one of you asked, or a few of you asked, like, why do I always have a different background behind me? It's because I travel a lot. I haven't had like a home base for the past, since March, okay? Now, inconvenient for shooting videos, but if you can work online, might as well explore the world. And furthermore, video quality is bad because it's 6 a.m. I had to find a quiet spot. Only place I found was outdoors. So, here we go. The video I made, why Bitcoin price will crash by September 6th. What was I talking about there? Well, oh yeah, before we get into that, this video brought to you by Monarch Wallet. Holds Bitcoin and 1,900 other cryptocurrencies, earn up to 10% interest per year, and they now have Monarch Pay, where it's the world's first decentralized recurring payments on the blockchain. Crazy. So, Bitcoin. Okay, we've been in this descending triangle for quite a while, since the middle of June. All right, and it's coming to an end. It's very much coming to an end. We've been bouncing up and down, and what just happened the other day? Again, we saw some resistance at the top of the descending triangle. Now, in my last video, I was saying that Bitcoin price will crash by September 6th, which is in a couple days, so it damn well better crash by then. No, but that's not particularly true. I may have been misinformed, but I'm going to get into why in a little bit after I explain what I was talking about in the last video for you guys who didn't see it. So basically, that last video I was saying, hey, September 6th is when Backed starts, people can start depositing money there. September 23rd is when Backed futures trading actually happens. But I was saying, hey, by September 6th, because that's the first date, price will start dropping. Now, Backed right now, they're cleared to launch September 23rd, but what's going to happen is it's been approved starting September 6th, clients will be able to deposit their funds into the Backed warehouse in anticipation of trading on September 23rd. So, really, people aren't going to start trading the futures until September 23rd. So, when you look at it from a theoretical perspective, why would the price drop if people are just locking up Bitcoin? As a matter of fact, they're decreasing the total supply. This is what Craig Simpson was talking about. And he's got a good point, because if a lot of people, I mean, Backed is big. It's backed by ICE, which is the people who created the New York Stock Exchange. You think that's big? I think that's big too. So if people are locking up a whole bunch of Bitcoin, wouldn't that drive the price up? And it got me to thinking. You see, back in, this is 2017, okay? Basically, in 2017, the end of 2017, we knew that CBOE and CME futures were coming. We knew they were coming December 17th, which is right here where the big, giant bullseye is. But 20 days before that, which we are right now, 20 days before the beginning of Backed, the price was way down here. So are we looking to 2x the price by then? Possible. It's possible. But so that's one possible thing that could happen. Also, strong support for that is this yellow line right here. This yellow line is the 21 weekly EMA. That, when we're in a bull market, generally tends to be support. As you can see here in the previous bull market, support, 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 support. And then in a bear market, resistance, resistance, resistance. So we're looking to bounce off that. It's going to be the first time we test it since being in this bull market. So those two factors, that the decreasing supply and also the 21 weekly EMA, would say, hey, the price could shoot off. And guess what? More people know about Bitcoin than ever. There's less available than ever. So could cause a huge price jump, but I wouldn't think so. Just my thoughts. I don't think it's likely to do that. It's possible. I've been wrong a whole bunch of times, but it's certainly possible that it could do that. I'm thinking that if there is a price jump in Bitcoin price, it'll be more towards the end of the year, because historically November and December are the times of year when we see big pumps in Bitcoin's price. I think more likely what's going to happen, because when we have a descending triangle like this, oftentimes it flips and the price comes down here, okay, to this area. So I would think that the price would drop, because here's what's happening, okay? This is the way that traders are thinking. They're like, hey, we're going to be able to short Bitcoin in a little while. Why don't we pump up the price as high as we possibly can, and then by the time we short it, we'll make a boatload of money. That's what they did back in 2017. Okay, as you saw, Bitcoin price went down 90%. A lot of people make a lot of money on that, and they're potentially trying to do it again. So if the price comes down by September 23rd, that's my new date, okay, not September 6th. I know it's close, but because why would the price go down if people are just locking it up? The price is going to go down when people start shorting it. Well, if the price goes down, first line that it will come down to is this 21 weekly EMA, and that'll be the big test. But if it breaks through the 21 weekly EMA, then potentially it'll drop to one of these two areas, either this yellow or the red rectangle here. Yellow rectangle is former support between $7,500 and $8,300, and the red one is between way down there between $4,800 and $5,300. Now I don't see that too likely, but it's certainly possible. Those are areas of big support and resistance based on the volume profile. Also, I should mention Daily MACD is saying to hold Bitcoin, so that's what I am doing. But yeah, I just wanted to share my thoughts with you. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and then also make sure you check out Monarch Pay, the world's first decentralized recurring crypto payments, and the Monarch wallet. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.